All right, let's be honest. You've got a killer business idea, enough caffeine to power a small city, and absolutely zero budget. Sound familiar? You think you need a team of graphic designers, marketing gurus, and a web developer who speaks fluent technobabble just to get started. Wrong. Today, I'm giving you the keys to the kingdom. This isn't your grandpa's business plan. This is your AI-powered 24-hour launch kit. 5 free tools one day, $0. Let's go. The brand builder. Your amazing business idea is currently named Steve's Awesome Thingies, and your logo is a stock photo of a happy hamster. You need a professional brand like yesterday. Say hello to Ideogram. Forget basic logo makers. An ideogram is like having a witty, slightly unhinged graphic designer on call. You give it a crazy idea, and it spits out logos and brand images with surprisingly good-looking, actually readable text. It's the magic of AI without the six-fingered hands. In less than 5 minutes, you can go from Steve's Awesome Thingies to Apex Innovations with a sleek minimalist logo of a mountain peak made of circuits. You'll look like a Fortune 500 company, even if your office is just a corner of your couch. Tool number 2, the content machine. Your new website is emptier than a library during a meteor shower. You need blog posts, social media captions, and an About Us page that doesn't just say, I like money. Meet Microsoft Copilot, formerly Bing Chat. Think of this as ChatGPT's overachieving sibling that has direct, real-time access to the entire internet. You can ask it to write in a specific tone, like, write a tweet about our new productivity app, but make it sound like a pirate who just drank an espresso. It's creative, it's fast, and it's surprisingly hilarious. You can generate 5 unique blog post ideas about your industry, write a compelling About Us page, and schedule a week's worth of witty social media captions, all before your coffee gets cold. Your content calendar is now officially chunky. Tool number 3, the video virtuoso. You need a promo video for your new brand, but your video editing skills are limited to accidentally starting a FaceTime call. You need something flashy? CapCut is the ultimate cheat code for video. Its free version is packed with AI features that are genuinely mind-blowing. It can auto-generate captions so you don't have to type them, you can remove backgrounds with a single click, and its library of templates can make a slideshow of your cat look like a Super Bowl commercial. You take the logo from Ideogram, the text from Copilot, and in under an hour, you've edited a slick 30-second promo video with trending music, animated captions, and effects that make it look like you hired a professional editing house. Your brand is no longer just an idea. It's a motion picture. Tool number 4. The digital Swiss Army knife. You're now juggling social media, a blog, and customer inquiries. Your brain has more open tabs than a web browser during a research binge. You need to connect everything without, actually connecting anything. Your new best friend is Zapier. Zapier is the digital glue that holds your entire operation together. It lets you create automated workflows, or zaps, with zero coding. Want every customer email to automatically post a notification in a Discord channel? Blog post for it to automatically create a tweet? Easy. It's the ultimate work smarter, not harder tool. You set up a zap so that every time someone signs up for your newsletter, they automatically receive a personalized welcome email. You've just built your first automated marketing funnel while you were probably eating a sandwich. Tool number 5, the instant headquarters. You have a brand, content, and a video, but nowhere to put it all. You need a home on the web, a place to send people, but building a website sounds about as fun as assembling IKEA furniture in the dark. Let me introduce you to Gamma.app. Gamma is an AI presentation and website builder that is just bonkers. You literally just tell it what your business is about. You say, make me a one-page website for Apex Innovations, a company that sells AI-powered productivity tools, and it just does it. It designs the layout, writes the copy, finds the images, and builds a professional-looking landing page in about 60 seconds. In the time it takes to microwave popcorn, you have a fully functional, beautifully designed, one-page website. It has your new logo, your compelling copy, and your promo video embedded right on the page. You officially have a home on the internet. So there you have it. A brand, a website, content, a video, and the automation to glue it all together. All for free, and all in a day. The barrier to entry has been obliterated. The excuses are gone. The only thing left to do is to start. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to start Brenda's Bodacious Bagels. Don't steal that, it's a work in progress. Like the video and subscribe to the channel to stay up on all the latest AI content.